Hey, hi friends, welcome to my channel The Joy of Cooking. I am Aishwarya Sunil Bivalkar and today I'll be showing you all 7 mango recipes. Today we'll be celebrating mangoes. Let's start with the deliciously yummy sweet treats. Mango ice cream. For that, in a chilled bowl, I'll take fresh cream 250 grams. The cream is also chilled. And I'm going to whisk it nicely so that there are no lumps. Once the cream is nice and smooth in texture, I will add the condensed milk to it. 325 grams of condensed milk. The condensed milk is also chilled. This is very important. And combine well till it becomes a homogeneous mixture. Keep whisking. And once the fresh cream and the condensed milk are combined, I will add the mango pulp or mango puree to it. I am using fresh mango puree, about 600 grams, or you may use 4 to 5 small sized mangoes or 3 to 4 medium sized. Make a smooth puree out of it and then whisk it nicely into the mixture. So with just three ingredients, we are going to make the tasty mango ice cream. Once it's combined well, you may directly deep freeze it, but here I prefer to add mango cubes. So I'm using about half cup of mango cubes and mix it well. And now after mixing it well, I am going to transfer this mixture into the airtight containers. I am using 2 containers, but you may use just one. Perfect. And then tap the containers a little so that they spread evenly, the mixture spreads evenly, and then we are going to seal it properly. Make sure it's sealed properly. Perfect. Now we are going to deep freeze it for about 8 to 10 hours or until the ice cream is set. Now once the ice cream has set, after 10 hours, I will scoop out the ice cream and serve it. So scoop out the ice cream generously and our mango ice cream is ready. Mango Shrikhand. For the mango Shrikhand, we require mango which is pureed, homemade mango puree or pulp. Then we require hung curd. This is also homemade. Powdered sugar. Mango chopped finely for serving and to add in the Shrikhand. Now in the mixing bowl I will take the hung curd. Perfect. Now I'll whisk it a little. Okay. And let it become smooth. Alright. Now to this hung curd I will add the mango pulp. So add it accordingly, like 1 cup hung curd requires about 1 cup of mango pulp, and whisk it nicely and let everything combine well. So keep whisking it. Now to this mixture I will add the powdered sugar. Add the powdered sugar according to the taste. We may require 1 or 1.5 cup of powdered sugar depending on the taste of the hung curd and mango. So I am adding a little more, as you can see, and whisk it nicely. Now after it's combined well, to this mango and hung curd mixture I will add the mango cubes. I have peeled and chopped the mango finely. And then mix it well with a light hand. Okay, it's looking lovely. Now I will top it with some more mango cubes, and it's the final serving. This is how our mango Shrikhand is ready. Mango lassi. For that, in a bowl I will take curd and blend it nicely. Once it's smooth, it's done. To this blended curd, I will add sugar, very little, and then add the mango puree to it. Mix it nicely, combine well, and serve it. I'll be using shot glasses today. And I'm going to top it with some mango cubes and mint leaves to make it look more beautiful. It's that easy. So this is how our mango special and summer special refreshing mango lassi is ready. No gelatin, no bake, eggless mango cheesecake. We require cream cheese 250 gram, mangoes, digestive biscuits, mango puree 1 tablespoon, powdered sugar half cup, whipped cream, then butter, lemon juice and vanilla essence half teaspoon. First, in a processor I will take the digestive biscuits. This is 100 grams of digestive biscuits, and then to it I will add butter, melted butter 50 grams and lids. Now in a cake tin I will take this cookie mixture, the biscuit and the butter mixture, and then spread it evenly with the help of the fingers and refrigerate it. Till then, in a mixing bowl I will take the whipping cream, 1/3 cup or 80 ml of whipping cream, and whip it until we get the peaks which are not that stiff. So this is the perfect consistency and the thickness of the cream that we want, as you can see. And then to the cream cheese, this is 250 grams of cream cheese. First I will give it a quick whisk and then add powdered sugar to it. This is half cup of powdered sugar. Now I have transferred the whipped cream and adding the cream cheese mixture in the bowl and whip it. Beat it with an electric blender until smooth, and then combine the whipped cream into it. Mix it nicely and with a light hand. Then to this I will add the mango puree, which is not that fine, about 1 tablespoon of mango puree or pulp, and then vanilla essence. This is half teaspoon of vanilla essence. After adding it, I will first mix it and combine well, and then add the lemon juice. Juice of half lemon, and mix everything well. Now I have removed the cake tin from the refrigerator, and then I'm going to add this cheesecake mixture on the top of this biscuit and butter mixture. After adding it, spread it evenly from the top. You may also tap the cake tin. We are not using gelatin, so we are not going to get the jelly-like texture to our cheesecake, but it will definitely set properly. Okay, now refrigerate it for about 8 to 10 hours. And after 8 to 10 hours, this is how it looks. I'll just remove it from the sides using a knife. This is a cake knife. And then once done, with the help of 2 plates and a parchment paper, I will flip the cheesecake. Very carefully, this is how it looks. Now I will just peel one mango and then scoop out the pulp with the watermelon scooper. So this is how the mango scoops look. And then I will top the cheesecake with the mango scoops. Delicious. You may add it on whole cheesecake, but I'm not going to do that. A different serving. This is how our eggless mango cheesecake is ready. It does not contain gelatin and it is not baked. So this is the texture that we are going to get after it's ready. Mango cream swirls. We require whipping cream, mango pulp and digestive biscuits. Just 3 ingredients. So first, in a pestle and mortar, I will take the cookies or the biscuits. These are digestive biscuits readily available in the market. I'll break them, as you can see here, like this, and then crush them. Roughly coarsely crushed biscuits. Perfect. And remove them in a bowl. Alright. Now in another mixing bowl, I will take the whipping cream, which is chilled, and then whip it on high till we get the nice stiff peaks. So whip it until we get the stiff peaks like this. Good. Now in the shot glasses, I'll first take the cookie crumble and then put it one by one in all the 6 glasses. Nice. And then I will put the mango pulp to it. You may add some powdered sugar to this pulp if the mangoes are sour and not sweet. But a little sourness will enhance the flavor of this recipe. So put the mango pulp in all the 6 glasses like this. Delicious. Okay. And then I will top it with the whipped cream. Make sure that all the mango pulp and the whipped cream actually is chilled. We have to serve this immediately. And then again layer it with the cookies, the biscuits, digestive biscuits, coarsely crushed. Perfect. Again with the mango pulp or the mango puree. It is also not too fine. You can see the mango chunks in that. And then I will pipe it with a piping bag, the whipping cream on the top. And then decorate it with some edible silver balls and sugar stars. Yellow colored sugar stars. And this is how our mango cream swirls are ready. Mango thick shake without ice cream. Delicious recipe. For that we require mango pulp, about 1 cup, half cup of milk chilled, mango cubes as required, cherries, again some mango cubes down for serving, and powdered sugar. So in the mixer blender I will take the mango pulp. Make sure the mangoes are pulpy and not juicy. Then add milk to it, powdered sugar as required, about 2 to 3 teaspoons. Blend it well till everything combines well. So in a serving glass I will take the mango cubes, about 1 to 2 tablespoons, and then add the thick shake. On the top I will add some more mango cubes. And this is my mama's way of serving with the cherries on the top. So this is how our mango thick shake without ice cream is ready. Mango popsicles. For that we require mango pulp or puree, 1 cup, 2 to 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar or as required, and water 1 cup. So in a mixer jar, I will first take the mango puree or pulp, 250 ml or 1 cup. Then to this pulp I will add powdered sugar, 2 to 3 tablespoons or as required, and blend it nicely. Then to this I will add 1 cup of water and again blend it. Now I'll put this mixture into the popsicle molds, fill it full and then close it nicely, seal it properly, and then we are going to deep freeze it for about 5 to 6 hours or until it's set properly. Seal it properly and deep freeze it. After 5 to 6 hours it's ready. I'll take the room temperature water and then put the molds in it and then start removing after about a minute or 30 seconds. And this is how they come out easily. Be careful while removing it. And this is how our mango popsicles are ready. So this is how our deliciously yummy 7 mango treats are ready. Please do like my video, subscribe to my channel The Joy of Cooking, hit the bell icon for the notifications of the new videos that I share. Follow me on Pinterest, Instagram and Facebook. I am Aishwarya Sunil Bivalkar signing off. Take care, stay tuned, and I'll see you next time.